Electric cars don't have to cost a fortune. Right now, there are several Chinese EVs that undercut big-name brands, and yet offer real-world usable range, modern features, and crazy value for money. In this video, I'm showing you 5 of the best cheap Chinese electric cars, 2025. Why they punch above their price, and how they challenge the expensive brands. Let's jump in. Car number 1, BYD Seagull. First up, the Seagull. This tiny EV has become a symbol of the new Chinese EV wave. In China, its entry price fell recently to under $8,000. Yes, you heard that right, for the base version. Despite the low price, the Seagull offers a usable electric city car package. Compact size for easy city driving, minimal maintenance costs, thanks to electric drivetrain, and surprisingly reasonable range for short commutes or urban use. Yes, it's small and won't compare to a luxury EV. But for city commuting, first-time EV buyers, or budget-conscious drivers, it's an absolute bargain. The fact that it's from a big EV company, BYD, adds trust and support infrastructure, which is rare at this price point. Car number 2, Wuling Hongguang Mini EV. Next, the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV. This little EV is often billed as one of the cheapest electric cars in China, ideal for short-distance commuting, city driving, or as a secondary vehicle. It's no performance monster. Power and speed are minimal compared to modern EVs. But for its purpose, cheap, simple, reliable urban mobility, it does the job. If you just want to get from A to B without fuel costs, and don't need long range or premium features, Mini EV remains a strong choice. Car number 3, Geely Xingyuan. Then we have Geely's new ultra-budget hatchback, the Xingyuan. Launched very recently and priced around 65,800 yuan, that's roughly $9,200, making it one of the cheapest real cars with EV drivetrain in China today. Yet despite its low cost, it offers a 5-door hatchback practicality, compact size, and the benefits of an EV, making it ideal for city dwellers, students, or anyone looking for affordable transport with low running costs. If you don't need luxury, just dependable, cheap mobility, this is a very compelling option. Car number 4, MG4 EV. For those who want more than just city runaround, maybe a usable daily EV with decent range and build quality, MG4 EV offers a very interesting balance. On global markets, MG, formerly Rover-linked brand under Chinese ownership, has positioned this model to undercut many pricier EVs while offering usable range and features. It may not have the ultra-low price of Seagull or Mini EV, but it gives a more real car feel. Better cabin, more comfort, more practicality. For people moving from ICE cars and wanting to try EVs without spending too much, MG4 EV delivers a value for money sweet spot. Car number 5, Bastoon UAE 03. Finally, if you want something a bit bigger, maybe a compact crossover SUV shape instead of a tiny city car, check out the Bastoon UAE 03. Introduced in 2025, it's positioned as a budget/affordable electric compact crossover EV by its maker. It brings the practicality and space of a hatchback/SUV-like package, with enough electric range for regular commutes. For those who don't love cramped hatchbacks but can't afford premium SUVs, UAE 03 shows that the Chinese EV market now offers serious alternatives at lower budgets. Analysis. Why these cheap Chinese EVs beat expensive brands. First, price. When some of these EVs start at under $8,000 to $10,000 in China, that's far below what you'd pay for even a modest EV from a global premium brand. That extreme affordability changes the EV equation. Secondly, practicality for city life. Tight parking, short commutes, low maintenance. Many people don't need 500-kilometer range. For them, compact EVs like Seagull or Mini EV are ideal. Third, value for money. Models like MG4 EV or Bastoon UAE 03 give a real car experience while staying cheaper than many ICE cars or entry-level EVs from established brands. Fourth, rising quality. Chinese EV makers have matured fast. Even cheap EVs offer decent build quality, acceptable range, and reliable battery tech, often LFP or efficient battery packs. And lastly, availability and brand scale. Companies like BYD, MG, Geely, and FAW Bestune are not tiny startups. They have serious production and support capabilities, which reduces risk compared to obscure EV startups. Conclusion: which one should you buy? If you're living in a city, commuting short distances, or want an affordable second car, go for Seagull or Wuling Mini EV. They are unbeatable value. If you want a more practical daily EV with reasonable comfort, Geely Xingyuan or MG4 EV hit the sweet spot. And if you need a bit more space, maybe weekend trips or carry more stuff, Bestune UAE 03 gives you SUV-style practicality at low cost. All of these show one truth: you don't need to spend big to get